All right, everybody, this is Imran Jamil. Something very new for the GS 1300. I guess I'm the first one who's needing to replace the rear tire because of a big puncture. And we're going to show you the video exactly how it's done. It's pretty easily put together. But let's see. So it's first things first, put it in the gear so that the wheel doesn't move. Put it on the center stand if you have one. And then you have these four lug nuts, five lug nuts, T50 Torx, and 60 Newton meters. So these are the bolts. I think they're 50 millimeters or maybe 55 millimeters in length. T50 Torx. Always, just one of the things that you need to make sure is that do not slip it. So make sure if you're using an extension that it's straight in and it's not at an angle of any kind. Up by hand. And that's it. Since it's a shaft drive, there's not much. Let's see what's getting stuck. Undo this. Okay, might have to take this out because it doesn't seem to have enough space to comfortably come out. And then there's the muffler. So in order to take the tire out or wheel out, you have to take the rear mudguard off. And the screw is over. There are two screws over here. That's T30. Okay, so these are T30s, three of them. Alright, so that's it. Once you remove the mudguard, then the tire should come out. And yeah, just straighten up because everything is spaced so properly that if there is an angle of any kind, it'll get stuck. So just make sure that. And we'll show you how it's put together once it's done. Now we are done. I just didn't cover the overall process of putting it back together. But it's pretty simple. You might have to loosen this up to fit the tire in. You had to take the mudguard out, and now there are 3 bolts over here, and just the regular lug nuts that I showed you before. As you can see, it's a very easy process to take off the tire because of it being the shaft-driven bike. However, it still hurt to change the tire at 900 miles because of that puncture. Hopefully you like the video and find it helpful. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.